The world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. One of the most exciting developments is the emergence of large language models, or LLMs. These models are capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Meta's Llama 2 is a shining example of this cutting-edge technology. Llama 2 possesses immense potential to revolutionize various fields. From customer service to content creation, the possibilities are endless. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge to harness the power of a Llama 2 through fine-tuning. We'll delve into the intricacies of this powerful model and provide a clear roadmap for optimizing its performance for your specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned AI practitioner or just starting your journey, this guide will serve as your compass in the fascinating world of a Llama 2. Get ready to unlock a new realm of possibilities with Llama 2. This guide will empower you to leverage the full potential of this game-changing technology. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and explore the transformative power of Llama 2. LLaMA 2, short for Large Language Model Meta-AI 2, represents a significant leap in AI. It's a powerful tool capable of generating human-like text. Fine-tuning tailors Llama 2 for specific tasks. It sharpens the model for particular applications. Training on relevant data enhances accuracy and relevance. Fine-tuning improves performance and customizes output. It simplifies integration into workflows. Imagine generating creative marketing copy. Fine-tuning on marketing data produces persuasive copy. Before diving into the fine-tuning process, meticulous preparation is crucial. This involves two key steps: data gathering and data pre-processing. These steps ensure that your training data is of high quality and in a format that Llama 2 can effectively learn from. Data gathering focuses on collecting a relevant and representative dataset for your specific task. The size and quality of your dataset directly impact the model's performance. For example, if you're fine-tuning Llama 2 for customer service, gathering a large dataset of customer interactions including queries and responses is essential. Once you have your dataset, data pre-processing comes into play. This step involves cleaning and formatting your data to ensure consistency and optimize the training process. This might include tasks like removing irrelevant information, correcting errors, and formatting the data into a structured format that Llama 2 can understand. The quality of your data directly influences the effectiveness of your fine-tuned model. Therefore, investing time in gathering a comprehensive dataset and meticulously pre-processing it is crucial for optimal results. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Fine-tuning Llama 2, a step-by-step guide. With your data prepared, you're ready to embark on the fine-tuning process. Initialize Llama 2 with its pre-trained weights. Choose an appropriate loss function and optimizer. Begin training the model. Feed your pre-processed data to Llama 2. Monitor the model's performance on a validation set. Overfitting occurs when the model fails to generalize to unseen data. You can find all the code examples for fine-tuning Llama 2 in the video description. They are available for you to utilize, so please don't hesitate to do so. Remember, they should be adapted to specific situations based on the following factors: dataset, training arguments, model configuration. Once fine-tuning is complete, rigorously evaluate the model's performance. Use various metrics to assess generalization and task performance. A held-out test set provides a realistic assessment. Metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score quantify performance. Human evaluation is also valuable. Evaluators assess quality and relevance. Model evaluation is iterative, not one time. Regular evaluation tracks performance and maintains effectiveness. This guide has provided a comprehensive overview of fine-tuning Meta's Llama 2 for specific applications. We've covered the fundamental concepts, preparation steps, the fine-tuning process itself, and model evaluation techniques. By following the guidelines and best practices outlined in this guide, you can harness the power of Llama 2 to enhance various aspects of your work. However, the world of AI is constantly evolving. New techniques and models are emerging all the time. Continuous learning and exploration are key to staying ahead of the curve. Engage with the AI community, explore the latest research, and never stop experimenting. The potential of Llama 2 and other LLMs is vast and still being explored. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning and pushing the boundaries of what's possible, you can unlock new possibilities and contribute to the exciting future of AI. Remember, the journey of mastering Llama 2 doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of an exciting adventure into the world of AI. If you enjoy our content, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell.